In the frantic, algorithm-chasing world of digital marketing, we're all chasing one dream: efficiency. The dream of a single platform that can take a raw idea and turn it into a polished, published, and promoted piece of content across every channel. This is the promise of Polybuzz.ai, an all-in-one AI content marketing platform. It claims to handle your entire content lifecycle, from the first spark of an idea to a published blog post and a month's worth of social media, all from a single dashboard. But does it deliver on this ambitious promise? Or does it fall into the classic trap, a jack of all trades but a master of none? Let's break it down. The sunny side. The brilliance of an integrated workflow. First, the good news. For the right user, Polybuzz.ai is a genuine game changer. Its greatest strength is unparalleled workflow integration. The time saved by not switching between a dozen different tabs is monumental. You can go from a keyword to a published blog post with an AI-generated image, and then have that post automatically repurposed into a week's worth of social content, all in under an hour. It also gives you a genuine bird's eye view of your strategy, something usually reserved for teams with expensive software. For solo entrepreneurs and small teams, this is huge. And let's talk cost. For a bootstrapped marketer, paying for separate writing, design, and scheduling tools can add up. Polybuzz consolidates that into one, often more affordable, subscription. Finally, the AI-powered repurposing is a massive time saver. Turning one blog post into a dozen social assets manually is tedious. Polybuzz automates the grunt work, giving you a solid first draft. The cloudy side. The inevitable compromises but for all its brilliance, Polybuzz.ai is not a magic bullet. Its ambitious scope comes with significant compromises. First and foremost, the jack of all trades syndrome. The AI writing is competent, but it can be generic. It lacks the nuanced brand voice of a top-tier writing tool. The image generation is functional, but it can't match the quality and control of dedicated tools. The social scheduler covers the basics, but lacks the deep analytics of a specialized platform. You are trading peak performance for convenience. Then there's the risk of content homogenization. That AI blandness can sterilize your brand voice if you're not careful. The human must provide the soul. There's also the reality of platform lock-in and the credit system. Your entire workflow lives here. If you leave, it's a hassle. And those credits, which power every AI action, can feel restrictive, making it hard to budget. And finally, as with any all-in-one tool, technical glitches can be a bigger problem. If your separate scheduler fails, you can still write. If Polybuzz has a bad day, your entire content engine can grind to a halt. The final verdict. Who is this actually for? So after all that, who is Polybuzz.ai for? It's a perfect fit for solo entrepreneurs and personal brands who are their own entire marketing team. Small marketing teams that need to produce high-volume content without a giant budget. Agency owners managing multiple small standardized clients. It's a poor fit for large enterprises with complex established tech stacks. Purists and specialists like master copywriters or professional designers who need best-in-class tools. Brands with an ultra-strong, unique voice that the generic AI might dilute. The final verdict? Think of Polybuzz.ai as a powerful, high-tech engine for your content marketing. It provides the power, the efficiency, and the integrated system to get you moving faster than ever before. But you are still the driver. You provide the destination, the strategy, and the creative direction. Used wisely, it can take you further, faster. Used thoughtlessly, it might just drive you in circles, producing a lot of content that leads nowhere. In the end, Polybuzz.ai isn't replacing the marketer. It's empowering the efficient one. And in today's competitive landscape, that empowerment might be exactly what you need.